Hey guys, we're Justin and Corrin, a couple from North Carolina who have spent the past 4 years seeking the ultimate feeling of freedom. You know, that feeling of waking up in the morning with no alarm and an awesome day ahead. So we quit our 9-to-5 jobs and started a business together so we could literally work from anywhere. This past year, we traveled the US in our self-converted van and loved it so much, we decided it was time for more space. So, we bought a bus and got to work. But let's catch you up to speed on what we've done. Last week was demo week where we ripped everything out, took her back to the basics, sanded, painted, caulked, sanded, and painted some more. And now she's looking more like our style. So this week is where the real fun begins. But let's just get into it, shall we? What we thought would only take a few coats ended up needing more like 5 or 6. Oh, and don't get me started on how long it took to scrape these individual letters, one by one by one. But hey, we had a friend come visit us when it was all said and done. And then we took the rest of the weekend off to relax and enjoy some fireworks together before getting back to work the next day. But first things first, we had to hit up the hardware store.
It's time!
Oh, I'm with a freak.
Hey, did y'all hold it down for a minute? I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
So, what are we doing today, babe?
You can go to bed. Try again.
Okay. So, what are we doing today, babe?
We're about to build the biggest bus.
So, what are we doing today, babe?
We're about to build the biggest bed that's ever been in a bus.
Woo! Unlike many van or bus builds we've seen here on YouTube, we knew we wanted an extra large and extra cozy sleeping space in our new home. So this was literally a no-brainer for us. Here we're installing a California King that basically takes up the entire bus. Will it be worth it? I think so.
Today we're installing our flooring,
which is these vinyl planks right here, and they basically just snap together like this, so it should go pretty easy.
Well, another week down. The inside has come a long way, and we're excited to show you the rest, so come back next Thursday to watch us put together the final touches before we head out for our first big trip.